Hi, and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a digital planner in Canva using Canva AI and ChatGPT. If you like this type of content, I would appreciate if you like this video, comment down below what type of videos I should create next, and subscribe so you don't miss a video. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is go over here to chatgpt.com, and we're going to pull up, create a new chat, and then we're going to go ahead and start typing in our chat. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're very specific on based off our target audience and who we're doing this planner for. We're going to type in create a code for a digital planner for busy moms, includes months, weeks, and days for the year of 2025 and 2026. And 2026. And so I thinking that I'm also want to include a budget section, grocery list, possibly a section about errands for kids, as well as yourself as a mom. Try to think as many details as possible for your niche to make your planner better. So we're going to also do doctor appointment, include a gratitude journal, and maybe encouraging affirmations for moms or women. And then, of course, we're going to add a note section for throughout the planner. And then you can think about what colors you want the planner to be as well. It is a digital planner, so it's possible that they can go ahead and change this as well. But we're going to say make the colors pink, purple, white, and black. And also, this is very important. You can type in, make it so that they can edit and type directly in the planner. And so this will make sense for when we move over to Canva AI and generate the planner. So again, you're going to make sure that you include all the details that you want your planner to have, whether it's a budget, daily, monthly, weekly calendar. You're going to go ahead and hit submit, and then you're going to let ChatGPT give it time to create this code for you. And I'm going to let it go through. It typically takes a couple minutes, and then once it's finished, I'll go ahead and copy the code and show you guys the next step. Okay, now that the code is done, we're going to go ahead and copy this code and take it over to Canva AI so that it can build out this digital planner for us. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so when you go over here to Canva, you're going to go over to Canva AI, and then you're going to go ahead and just select code for me, hit paste, and paste that code in, and you're going to go ahead and select submit. We're going to give it time to go through all the coding and create the design, and then next I will show you guys what the final design is. You can also provide more feedback to Canva AI to give it updates if you don't like anything that it creates. Okay, so here is the results of what happened here. As you can see, give us the busy mom planner. We have the monthly, and we can scroll through and hit next to the next month. We can type in directly our today's tasks, notes and thoughts, three things that we're grateful for, as well as today's affirmations. And we can go back here. You can show previous, go back up here to the weekly, and we can type in the task for the week. We can type in the day as well. You have your tools here, your budgets. You can upload your income and your expenses, add your grocery list, add your errands that you have for yourself or your kids, add in your doctor's appointments, and you can even add in some new affirmations that you want to add specifically, as well as some notes. And you can go ahead and use InDesign. You're going to go ahead and select whiteboard, and then you're going to be able to share this template on your Etsy or your website to sell. So this is your busy mom planner, and you can create this for any type of planner that you want, any type of audience or niche that you want, and you can just give that specific information to ChatGPT. You can also go over here and edit anything that you don't like about the planner and have them update it. As you can see, this is just version 1, and that is it. So once you click use InDesign and hit whiteboard, it's going to go over here, and this is what it's going to look like. You can make this double click to interact. You can make it as big as you want, and you can now interact with the calendar. In order to share this, you're going to go ahead and hit share, hit template link, create template link, and now you're going to be able to share this link with your Etsy, on your Etsy shop or your website. If this video has been helpful, I would appreciate if you gave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of video you want me to create next, and subscribe so you don't miss a video. Have a great day.